Hi you all, it's me Maya Marsh and I'm back with another video. Today we are featuring this beautiful glueless wig. I just wanted y'all to get into it before we get into the tutorial. But look, you cannot tell me this is not growing from my scalp. Let's just get into the tutorial. Today we are using Sunber's Byebyeknots lace wig and it is a 7x5. I received a headband, some extra combs and clips, and this adhesive tape that is for your edges to lay down. I also received these nails and ironically I broke 2 nails, so I'm just gonna do a side quest and place these 2 nails on because I did not want you all judging me. So thank you for supplying me with these nails. So every package of wigs also come with these nails. You also say thank you. All right, let's get started to this tutorial. First, you want to start off with your HD wig cap. It comes as well in the box, and from there you're going to go ahead and cover your lace with your actual flesh skin tone. Right now I am showing you the hair. I just want you to look at the texture of the hair, and I want to show you a few features that are on the wig cap. So we have an adjustable string, and that's to tighten or loosen in the back. As you can see, this drawstring is adjustable, and this wig cap can fit all head sizes, so that's what makes this wig super unique. And it also comes with a band installed for security because this is a glueless wig, so you don't technically have to glue anything down. You can just place it on and go, so that's what's going to help provide your stability. I want you to just see the cut of the wig, and they already bleached the knots for us, so that's so cool. Right now I just want to show you exactly what the wig looked like on without me doing absolutely anything to it. So right now I'm just placing my wig on. As you can see, I actually have a very little forehead, so it's going to be a little bit easier for people who have bigger foreheads, but if you suffer from a small forehead like me, take note. Right now I'm taking a rectangle comb and I'm just showing you exactly that I did not place anything on this lace. It can be removable immediately. I just want you to see how it's laying. Like, look, this is giving scalp. Like, this is a ultimate glueless wig. I'm so excited. Of course I'm going to give you some options, but I just want to show you exactly how it lays and what it looks like without even adding any additional products. So right now I am taking that adhesive and I'm going to place that on my temples, the side of my head. You can place as much as you would like for what you feel would make your wig secure. I'm also going to show you additional way to secure your wig. I just want to give you all the options that are available. You can do it this way. We can still do a little spray, or you can do nothing. Right now I'm installing my wig. I just wanted you to see that I put that band on, and then I'm going to pull my wig all the way down so I can secure it all the way in the back. Right now I am adjusting my drawstring to fit my head size, and I'm going to give it a quick shake test just so you can see that it is safe to wear and will not slip off easily. And now I am taking some bond adhesive. You don't have to use this. I'm only using a little bit because obviously it's still a glueless install, but I do feel like it's going to help melt the lace just a little bit more. So I'm adding this, and then with the headband that they gave me, I'm going to place that on for about maybe a minute. And if you want, you can walk around, or you can go ahead and grab your blow dryer and let that adhesive melt. Now, this is just a second option. I'm just giving you all options. You don't have to do this, but I would prefer this just because it did melt that lace. This is all still super beginner friendly. I have not bleached any of the knots. I didn't do the ball cap method. I haven't done anything that's too advanced. Right now I'm adding baby hair. This is super optional. I just thought that because it was curls, it would look better with a little baby hair. And plus, let's just be real, if you watch any of my other tutorials, I literally add baby hair to every style, and that's just because my mom raised me like that. Okay guys, this has been since I was like 2 years old. Look at the hairline, and we ain't even finished yet. Next, I am taking my wax stick and I'm just applying that around my edge in the front and then down the middle part. This is not optional. If you're going to work with wigs, you definitely want to invest into a wax stick and a pressing comb. It's just going to make it look more realistic. So we're only going to do the front part. We're just going to lay that down in the front and on the middle part. We're just getting it super flat. Don't take it all the way down because you don't want to ruin the curls, but this is 100% human hair, so you are all right to apply heat, and you can do different styles with this hair. You don't have to keep it in this style, but it's so pretty as is. So I'm not gonna apply like water, I'm not gonna apply too much but mousse in the end. But right now I want you to take your time, because I have burned myself before. So take your time and utilize your pressing comb. And now I'm just getting these clips that I actually got from Marshall's. Aren't they so cute? They got diamonds, these clips, and they're just gonna help keep the hair in place. So I'm just gonna keep those on for about 1 minute. Some people wear it for like a cute accessory, but it's really just a clip though. It's just an accessory to help keep my hair in place while it is drying. I did spray some hairspray on this. You can use anything, but I did use the Kendra's hairspray and it is so good, you all. Next, I am taking some foaming mousse. You can use anything. You'll see me use more than one different product just because I wanted to give you all a variety and options. And I am using a wide tooth comb. So after I apply that mousse, I'm not doing water. I'm just going to do mousse. I used a wide tooth comb. And if you notice, I did place the mousse at the top of my head as well, just because sometimes there are flyaways, and that mousse is going to definitely help get all of those flyaways. So right now I'm also using my Most Def mousse, and I'm just applying a little bit more to my curls, not too much because you don't want it to get too tacky or anything. And then with the combing, you don't have to comb too much, but I feel like the natural fluffy look is so bomb. So I'm taking it all the way down. Next, I am taking my rectail comb and some concealer, and I'm applying that concealer on the rectail comb. And you're gonna see this is like a little hair hack I got for you all. And you'll place that right in the middle and you'll pull it straight down. And once you finish seeing me pull it down, you'll see how much better it made the hair look. And we are all done. Look at this hair. Look at the hairline. Right now, I just want to give you some options for some styles that you can try with your hair. I thought it was so cute, the 2 ponytails. I think I feel like I should have cut my bangs in the front because I think it'd be a little bit cuter, but I don't know, you all. Am I the only person who kind of don't like cutting hair for some reason? Like, I'll cut it for sure, but sometimes I'm like indecisive. But I just added these butterfly clips to the ponytails. I thought that would be so cute. Or you all could even invest into like some bigger butterflies. I think that'll be so cute, you know, like how SZA like to do. And then from there I pulled it back into like a little ponytail for an additional option. And now I'm gonna try the claw clip as well. I know you all love that look, so this was super cute. It's super easy, and it's just giving you additional styles to try with your wig. You do not have to be limited to one style. And you could have technically done a side part, but I just feel like it's best to just keep it in the middle because that's what it came in. Thank you all for watching my video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until later, you all. Bye. If I put my trust in you, what will you
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending.